If you run an HVAC business, you're probably losing leads every single day without realizing it. Here are 5 AI agent use cases that show results within 24 hours. First, missed calls. An AI agent answers instantly, captures details, and logs the request. Second, scheduling. AI checks availability and books appointments in seconds. Third, follow-ups. AI sends instant replies and reminders so leads don't go cold. Fourth, emergency jobs. AI detects urgent requests and alerts technicians instantly. Fifth, no-shows. AI sends reminders and lets customers reschedule easily. These are simple systems solving real problems. Want this for your business?